Now to create a pom.xml, either you can create from the scratch or you can download a basic pom.xml from Maven website. Or as I suggest, you can get a copy of the sample pom.xml from the code base of this lecture. Now in the real world, you would always be using an archetype or archetype, however you pronounce it. That will actually create a pom.xml for you. The whole purpose of making a type is that you understand the purpose of each section in the pom.xml file. The XML file is the only required artifact in the Maven project. As we have discussed so far in the lectures, the pom file holds the configuration information needed by Maven. The snapshot here shows the pom.xml file with the basic project information. We start the pom.xml file with the project element, then we provide the group ID, artifact ID and the version coordinates. The packaging element tells Maven that it needs to create a jar archive for this project. And finally, we add information about the developers who are working on this project. You'll also notice that we have used a version number which says 1.0.0-snapshot. In all Maven projects, it is recommended that Maven projects use the same convention for versioning, that is major version dot minor version dot incremental version hyphen qualifier. The major, minor and incremental values are numeric and the qualifier can have values such as snapshot, alpha, beta, release or stable version. Now in this snapshot, the snapshot qualifier in the project version carries a very special meaning. It indicates that project is in a developmental stage. When a project uses a snapshot dependency, every time the project is built, Maven will fetch and use the latest snapshot artifact. Now most repository manager accepts release build only once. However, when you're developing an application in a continuous integration environment, you want to build often and push your latest build to the repository manager. And thus it is the best practice to suffix your version with snapshot during development phase only. And then run the command mvn package from the base directory, that is chapter 4, or in other words from the folder which contains your pom.xml file.